Hello, my name is Teacher Jennifer, and today we are looking at nature. I love nature. Nature includes animals, plants, landscapes, and many other beautiful things on planet Earth. Do you like nature? What can you see in the picture? Yes, there are mountains. There are lots of mountains in the picture. Very good. Yes, there are white clouds in the beautiful blue sky. What is on the top of the mountain? Snow. Yes. There is lots of snow on top of the mountains. Excellent. What is on the bottom of the mountains? Did you say valleys? Yes. Excellent. Very intelligent. There are valleys at the bottom of the mountains. Copy me. Valley, 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 valley. Excellent English. Can you see another word in the picture? What is this? A village. Excellent. Copy me. Village, 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 village. Excellent English. Read with me. Valley. You will find valleys at hills or mountains. Valleys are very deep. Do you know how valleys are created? Erosion, rivers, soil, and rocks. When the snow melts down the mountains, it creates rivers. These rivers carve out the earth and create valleys. The steeper the mountain, the faster the snow falls. The faster the snow falls, the deeper the valley. Excellent. Sometimes you can even see waterfalls and glaciers. Have you seen a valley before? Well, maybe one day you might. I hope you have learned something about valleys. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.